For those of you interested in saving one of these documents that we're reading to your files, I know that if you're using an iPad, it may not seem like it will save it to your files at all when you pull one up. Because when you try to export it using your Chrome browser, then it just simply doesn't work. And we know that the Chrome browser works a lot better for a lot of universities' interfaces, just like Western Governors does. You can't use Safari and have their interface work. So I use Chrome on my iPad, and I pull up the article using Chrome. And you saw I just clicked on PDF full text so that it will come up. But we know that if we try to export it from here, it doesn't work. You can't really make it work that way. But there's a little trick I want to show you. So all you do is you copy your URL from there. You pull up Safari. And in Safari, you can actually paste and go to that URL. And now you have the document you can read in Safari. Where here's the cool little trick, and this is why you would want to pull it up in Safari instead of Chrome on the iPad. I'm going to take a screenshot using the power button and the volume up button at the same time. And then I'm going to click on that little corner icon. And you see right now it's just a screenshot. But up at the top, if you click full page, now you have access to the entire document as a screenshot. And if you click done in the top left corner, it gives you the option to save this as a PDF to your files. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to save this as a PDF. I'm going to go down to my Dropbox. I'm going to go to my education folder and put it in there. And I'll rename it, of course, since this is a Scales of Progress article. Scales of Progress. There we go. I've got that in there, and I can actually move it then to, since it took a second for it to come up, I can move it to my Foundations of Education folder and then hit save. I already had it in there, but I'll replace it. And now it's saved in my folder, and you can actually pull that up in Dropbox and it looks just like this, or wherever you stored it, whatever system storage you use. There's a nice little trick for you. I hope it helps, and that way you can really save stuff. By the way, if you do use Dropbox, let me show you this. Let's go back to Chrome. If you look at your citation, let's see, which one is it? This one down here, the Young article. You can copy your citation. Let me show you one more little trick while I'm at it. So in your Dropbox, if you go to your file that you just saved, and you click those three little dots. Oops, wrong ones. I want to click these three little dots. You have all kinds of options, of course, where you can share it to the Facebook group, since we're sharing resources. But then also, if you click down at the bottom where it says 0 comments, you click comments, you can actually add a comment, and I have copied to my clipboard that citation. Now I'm going to paste the citation in there and post it. Now I have, you see one comment down there? Now I have the citation that I can copy and paste into a bibliography whenever I use this article as a source in a paper later on. I figured that was really handy and figured I would share that. Have a great day, everybody.